I think initially you hear cancer and you think that you may not survive this. And I try to really emphasize that most of my patients probably will survive this and go on and live long, healthy lives. It makes for an awful year, and that's not to be dismissed. But really, I try to emphasize on what are our long-term goals and how can I and your treatment team get you through to that long-term goal. I think patients, and just like everybody, they want to be heard and make sure that you see them for where they're coming from. Sometimes I think as physicians, we can seem a little bit sterile. We have on our white coats and we come in and we have our own thoughts about what should go on. And so I think really listening is hearing where the patient's coming from. Thinking that something about you as a woman has caused you to get sick and require invasive treatments can be really difficult emotionally. And also during your treatment process, we're having to talk about doing things to you that may compromise how you feel as a woman. And I think it's very important that we as surgeons validate and value that. I want all of my patients to live long, healthy lives. At the same time, a lot of times I can try to make sure that they look the same, if not even better, from a physical standpoint, so that when they move on in their survivorship, they're not constantly reminded that they had breast cancer, and I don't want them to feel like less of a woman because of that. Try to take a deep breath and allow yourself time to think through your treatment options. Allow yourself time to find the physician who's right for you. I promise you that when I'm taking care of you, I will treat you as I would my mom, sister, or daughter. Unfortunately, not everything is black and white in medicine, and I really do try to take steps back and think, okay, if you were my mom, if you were my sister, if you were my daughter, and I have all of those, how would I treat them in this situation? Because that's really what I want for my patients. I want somebody who really cares about you as a person, just like I care for my loved ones as well.